what's going on, guys, and welcome back to a brand new video. And today I'm going to be showing you clips of putting up a greenhouse. So here we've got all our tools that we're going to be needing for the moment. We'll probably be having to go back and get in more, but this is what we're going to be using for the moment. We've got our drill with our drill, because it's an electric drill, so we've got a charger here. Then we've got our spanner, and we've also got a tape measure. We've got a double-sided screwdriver here, which is a Phillips and a straight, with two more screwdrivers, one being a Phillips and one being a straight. And then we have a bigger spanner here. So that's all the tools that we're going to be using for the moment. We'll probably have to go get more, as I said, but we're going to start construction now. So we've started to take bits out of the box now, and as you can see over here, we are just placing them over here, and we're just taking out the boxes, and we'll come back when we've got that all finished. So here we've got the instructions, and as you can see, if I lift it up and show you the thickness, that's how long it is. So we've got a fun job trying to put that up, and we've also now got a I think this is one box out, and we've got a little bit over there, and then we've got that box over there which we've opened up. And we've also got some where our plug-in, they're not screws, they're plug-ins, so it should make it a little bit easier. And that's what they look like. And then we've got another box to open and lay out. So we've now got the base of our greenhouse together, and for once they've actually labelled it well. Let me give you an example here. So normally they say a number and the label isn't on there, but for once the label's on there. As you can see, that's 7598, and the numbers are all on them. So we've got our base for our greenhouse, sorry. And so hopefully, as you will see throughout this video, that it will begin to look more like a greenhouse, as it does not at the moment. So as you can see, we've got we've actually got all four corners up, but we haven't quite finished off all of them. But I'm just going to give you an example of one side, and as you can see, there is a bolt on one side, and then bear with me a second, guys, and then a nut on the other, and this is with all four corners, and so we've got all four corners up now. I think it might be a little bit taller, but we'll come back when we've got a little bit further. So this is our progress so far. As you can see, we've got all four corners up. We've got the base, and we've got a little bit of the frame for the door done. That's as far as we've got, and we'll come back when we've got a little bit further. So this is as far as we've got today, and the sun's starting to set, and so that's where we're going to leave it for today. We'll do it over the next couple of days. But as you can see, we've got the door frame up. We haven't got as far as the hinges, but we've got all the backs. We've got the back's nearly pretty much set up, but we'll continue tomorrow.
Right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
pause it again. No.
I haven't got.
Actually, we'll do it this.
So we've now got the greenhouse finished, and as you can see, I didn't do a lot of the work. I did here a bit here and there, but my mum and dad did most of the work. And all of the veg that we planted, which will be in a video coming out shortly, we've put in here, and it should hopefully start warming up soon. It's not too warm at the moment because we've just finished building it. But so that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to slam that notification bell, otherwise you won't be notified when I upload another video. Keep safe everyone, but that's it for this day's Grow Your Imagination upload. Bye guys.